Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to use Google Drive to create your vocab sheet. It's really easy. So first I'm going to start from the very beginning, drive.google.com. And it takes you here. I have a couple accounts on my computer, so let me go to my Miss McKinley, type in my password. Alright, so here's my Google Drive. It is kind of a hot mess and pretty unorganized, but yours shouldn't be. Yours should have all your period folders right there. So make sure that My Drive is selected, and you're going to go to your period, whichever period you have science. Inside that folder, you should have another folder titled Science Fair. And we're actually going to create another folder in here, and it's going to be called Unit 6, Chemical Reactions. So any work I have you do on Google Drive for this unit, it'll go in this folder. Very organized. So I got my Unit 6 chemical reactions. I'm going to click on that, and obviously nothing is in here. I'm going to create a document right now. I'm going to create my vocab, and I'm going to title it Unit 6 Vocab number 1, and I've got a blank slate here. One thing I'm going to do is turn the paper so that it's sideways. If it's the wide direction, then I'll have more room. So I'm gonna I don't know if you saw that. Let me slow it down. Go to File, then click on Page Setup, and right now it's in the portrait view, but we're gonna turn the paper sideways to landscape view. Click OK. So notice now the page is wider. Great, so now we are just going to create a table, and I told you guys your table should have 4 columns and 11 rows, so 4 by 11. Great, top column I'm going to write the word, definition, sentences, I spelled it wrong, definitions, sentences, and picture. Boom, now I'm ready to go. What was the first word? I don't remember, but I'm just going to say it's exothermic process. I'm going to get my definitions. Remember, we're supposed to have 2. One from a dictionary or textbook, and then one in your own words. Sentences, you're also supposed to have 2. And with each word, you're supposed to use, with each sentence, you're supposed to use this phrase. So I will say in exothermic processes, chemical bonds break and thermal energy is released. Boom, that's my sentence, and I'm going to highlight the word in the sentence. How do I highlight? First, using my mouse, I click and I drag it over here to select that, and then I'm going to go here where it says text color. I don't want to actually change the color of the text. I don't want to make it like red. I don't want to do that. I'm actually going to click on highlight and highlight in yellow. Now it's just highlighted, and there we go. And I would do all this. I get my pictures, I copy them in here, and that's it. That's pretty much it. And when it's time for me to turn it in, let's see. Where is that vocab? When it's time to turn it in, you go to Edmodo, you click Turn In, and somewhere at the bottom you will have the options. You'll see the little backpack there, and when you click on your backpack, you'll find your Edmodo stuff. I mean your Google Drive stuff. For me, because I'm a teacher, it's not called a backpack, it's called a library, and in my library I have my Google Drive stuff. So even the document I just created, here it is, Unit 6 Vocab number 1, I just created that over in Google Drive, and now I have access to it here. It's pretty simple. Hope that made sense. If not, you know how to reach me. Alright, you guys.